Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to use the application of Clapper. You will go to Clapper app, you will install it on Play Store or App Store on iPhone. Here in this page, you will find a lot of videos, you can interact with them, you can comment here in this sign. You can also send here gifts if you want. Here you can go to this sign of profile. You will go to this sign of edit profile if you want to edit your name, your username, basic info like city, age, gender, bio here. If you want to add your social link, you can click here or add new link like this here, YouTube, Facebook or anything. Then you can change also your photo profile. Here we go to above. You can go to Clapper coins here to find it in this list. You will find a lot of coins here. As you see, you can buy any coins you want in this page. Here we can go to manage your account. Phone, you can add it here. You can change your image. You can add your shipping address. You can turn off or turn on NSFW like this. You can send direct messages or you can delete your account here. Also here, privacy and safety. In this page, you can choose who can you receive your text messages or pictures and their videos or voice. Here you can select show your following and followers list to, for example, friends or no one or everyone here. Also you can turn off show your level or you can turn on it. Here comments, also comments management, you will find it in this page. You will find here blocked list if you blocked someone. Here you can turn off comments filters or you can turn on it like this. Here you can go to push notifications if you want to manage your notifications. In this page you will find here in-app notification. Also you will find this sign of clear if you want to clear cache. Here you can go to logout if you want to log out on the application of Clapper like this. So that's all, I think. Here you can also find your messages, your notifications like this. You can create here your group, can create your own group. Here you can discover from any videos you want or creators. Here you will find it in this page. So that's all. Don't forget to support us, like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.